diving straight into this one for Mr. James Hale over at Patreon. Thanks very much indeed, James. Bit of a Ritchie Kotzen fan. Tone-wise, I'm going for the in-between telly setup. Maybe like a middle pickup might work on a Strat. So that's my amp tone. I'm using the VS Audio Platinum, which is based on a like Silver Jubilee at Marshall, just to give it a bit of grunt. And then when you dig in for the chorus, you're going to get that really sort of, it's quite a meaty tone, but it's very twangy and quite top-endy. So the intro slash verse riff goes like this. So I'm just going to go through this slowly because I think it's pretty straightforward. It goes like this. Just some notes there. You're going to be doing some palm muting on the low E's, right? And then you've got double stops, which include the open E. So when you get up to the 10th, yeah, you're playing the opening and the 10th fret, right? When you do the slides, you're going to strike them when you arrive, all right? So it's not that. You're going to strike when you arrive at the note, okay? And then the second half goes. That's the same, but then you're going to go down. Like that. Go around that 5 times, then you come into this part, which is the chorus. Awesome stuff. Like that, around 3 times. So we have, you could just play it live, he just plays this. Which is quite straightforward, but on the album you do hear. You hear that coming in. I mean, again, you could play. You could just play the open D there. You know, whatever's comfiest really is, as long as you're getting in the the root note and part of the chord, it's going to sound great anyway. So we have. So 1, 2, down. Okay. And this way, you've already got your 2 fingers here, so you slide them up to the 12th fret, thumb over the top. You're going to do a D sus4 to normal D. Okay, actually it's. And then. Okay, so pretty straightforward. One more time. This is how he plays it live. And the 4th time round, you're going to play this. So you're just going to stay on the D for a bit longer, right? And then like that, right? Then coming out of the chorus, you go. And then you repeat the verse and the chorus around. Then we've got this bridge part, which goes. Pretty cool. It's G. Basically, I'm just muting the A there with a little bit of meat from my second finger there. Like that. Then we go up to here and we play octave. Nicest way to do it, I think. So it's then we go. So G, G, A, A. Then we've got this like B minor, which is just, again, that string there's getting muted. Same bend. D5 to A. And you play this round. Bit of vibrato actually on the root note when you go to the second one. There. And then the next time round, you're just going to hang on the B minor chord, right? So we have back into the chorus. Coming out of that, then we got this outro. And that is it, folks. You're done. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.